Want to know how to become an affiliate in Booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Booking.com website. So you can just simply get towards Booking.com and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you scroll all the way down, you should be provided with Discover right here. And right here you should be seeing partners, and right below list your property you should be seeing become an affiliate. So you can just simply select it. Now once you select join an affiliation, just simply select register right here. And what you can do is you can just simply register by your email address, the previous one that you had logged in Booking.com with, fill in your credentials, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.